In this video, I'm going to be making some low-sodium breakfast sausage for people like myself who are trying to reduce their intake of sodium for their blood pressure. The recipe makes 12 patties for 1 pound of ground pork, and for every 2 patties, it's 140 milligrams of sodium, which is quite a bit less than regular sausage, which would be like 300 per patty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for notification when new videos are posted. Thank you. I've got a package of ground pork here, not sausage, no spices added, just plain ground pork. This is actually a 20-ounce package, and the recipe is for 16 ounces, so I'm just going to add a little extra spice as I go, and I'll end up making 15 sausages, but that's just the way the package comes. Next, I just add all the spices, and I leave out the garlic and the brown sugar. I don't like those in my sausage, but they're there if you like them. You can add them in. Alright, now I just mix it up real well with my hands, and the less you mix it the better, because it makes the sausage tougher the more you mix it, but you want to get the spices distributed, so they might end up being a little bit tough, but it's the downside of using pre-ground meat instead of grinding with the spices in. And preheat the oven to 400 degrees so it can be heating up while I'm making the patties. And I like to cover the pan with foil, make the cleanup easy. This way, once I'm done, I just peel the foil off and throw it in the recycle bin. And my foil's not wide enough, so I use 2 sheets, kind of fold it together down the center, try to form a watertight or a grease-tight seal. Next up, we're going to make the patties. And we get 12 patties out of a pound, which works out to 1.3 ounces per patty. So I just like to weigh it out, but you could just divide it up, keep having it, but it only takes a second to use the scale. And you want to get them fairly thin. It's up to you though, of course. And you could spray the foil down with some oil beforehand, but there's generally enough fat in the pork itself that they don't stick. Alright, so we'll put those in our 400 degree oven. Then I'll set the timer for 10 minutes, let them bake. Okay, so we're halfway through, so take them out, flip them over. Try to get them to cook evenly on both sides. Alright, now back into the oven. We're going to give these another 10 minutes. And they're done. So just put these onto a paper towel to drain the grease a little bit and let them cool off. 15 beautiful sausages. Alright, so after they've cooled, just going to load them into a Ziploc bag, and then I either store them in the refrigerator or the freezer, depending on how long you want to keep them. And then I just warm them up in the microwave when I make breakfast in the morning. Easy as that. And again, it's only 140 milligrams of sodium for each 2 patty serving. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to be notified when new videos are posted.